Tired of boring breakfasts? Then let's make this chicken sandwich together. This is just perfect to set your tone for the day. Hey Yaglo TV fam, welcome to the channel. To make this yummy, delicious chicken grilled sandwich, we're going to need some chicken breast, which I'll be prepping as you can see in the video. You want to cut it into thin slices and then begin to season. First off, the base for every seasoning, which is salt, you want to apply that on the chicken and gently massage it so it can go into the chicken once it's really tasty. You know how we do it here. I'll then add some of my favorite seasonings. I have black pepper powder, cumin powder, and some chili pepper. We just want to massage that gently into the body of the chicken. Now we get our pan and drizzle some vegetable oil. We don't want it to be too much, so be mindful so your oil is not too much. On the medium heat, we're going to pan fry this chicken. Man, this chicken has been properly seasoned. I have to emphasize that because you know how it is. You need to ensure that your food is really tasty. I mean, just the way you like it. Anyways, not doing too much, but just the way you like it. I like the color of the chicken. So while that is getting ready, we're going to prep other vegetables. We need some fresh tomatoes and some fresh bell peppers. I'm going to chop this into round shape as you can see, and we'll get it ready for assembling. And now for the lettuce, we're not chopping it. It's already been washed and detached from the stem. Now the chicken is done. We're just going to take it out of the pan and set it aside while we prep the bread. We're just going to go ahead now and toast the bread. I'm using wheat bread. You can use any bread of your choice, and ensure that your heat is not so high so your bread doesn't burn. We just need it to be crispy and not burnt. So do it gently on a medium heat or low heat till it's brown and beautiful. All ingredients set. Now let's assemble the bread. You want to have your bread on a plate, add some mayonnaise, spread it around the bread. In no particular order, just assemble your sandwich however you like it and enjoy yourself. Crispy bread, juicy chicken, and fresh vegetables. I mean, did I forget the creamy mayo? This sandwich is a taste of heaven. Make yours, enjoy yourself, and give yourself a treat. And guess what? It comes together in just few minutes. You don't need to stress. So thank you guys for watching. Till I see you again with another video. Bye.